Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. So if download speeds are slow on Windows 11, the issue is usually caused by background usage, delivery optimization, and network settings, or also outdated drivers. So follow these steps in order to fix the problem. First, check your internet speed. Open any browser and go to the search bar and search for a speed test. Now, you can select any site that you want and simply click the go button and see if your network provider is giving a good speed or not. Now, if your speeds are already slow here, the issue is with your ISP or Wi-Fi, not Windows. Now, step 2 is pausing background downloads. So press Ctrl Shift and Escape and it will open up Task Manager. Check for apps using network heavily. So this is network section. All the apps that will be using this section heavily, simply right click on that app and click end task. Now end or pause them temporarily and that could fix the problem. What you can also do is navigate to settings on a PC and clicking Windows Update. Now click advanced options on this tab, that is just right here. You'll have to click on delivery optimization. Turn off allow downloads from other PC. So this button is turned on. Simply turn this off and this will prevent Windows from using your bandwidth. Now what you can also do is open settings and choose network and internet. Now click your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and scroll down and turn on the metered connection. This will limit background data usage. Another way to fix this problem is pressing Windows plus R on a PC and typing CMD. Hit enter and run the command. So simply type in ipconfig space /flush flush DNS. So type in ipconfig flush DNS, hit enter and this will fix DNS related speed issues. Now if you're using VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. VPN often slow down download speeds significantly. Now what you can also do is go to device manager. So go to the search bar and search for device manager. Click it. Now here search for network adapters. Click it, right click your adapter and click update driver. Then restart your PC after updating and that could surely fix the problem. Now you can also press Windows plus R on a PC again and search for services.msc, hit enter. Now here you'll have to simply search for DNS client. So DNS client is just right here. Right click it and click refresh or restart. Just the same way, search for WLAN autoconfig, right click it and click restart or refresh. Also search for network location awareness and do the same. After you follow out these steps, you will have surely fixed your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.